everyone. Make a love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we're gonna talk about their angles and their measures. And this is Mathematics 8 for its third quarter. And this is your teacher Marife Adonis. Okay, so before we go on, let's have some riddle. What kind of tree does a math teacher climb? Answer, geometry. What do you have to know to get a top grade in geometry? Answer, all the angles. Why was the obtuse angle upset? Because he was not right. Who invented a round table? Answer, Sir Circumference. What do you get when you cross geometry with McDonald's? A plain cheeseburger. All right, so let us have our lesson now, and we're going to take about or to talk about the angle addition postulate. Okay, so if a point is in the interior of an angle, then the measure of the largest angle is equal to the sum of the two smaller angles formed when the interior point is connected to the vertex of the original angle. Example 1, write an equation using the figure. So we have here um, figure, we have a QWR with E as their um, what do you call this one? Interior point, no? So applying angle addition postulate, E is the interior point and angle QWE and angle EWR are the smaller angles formed. So we have measure angle QWR is equals to measure angle QWE plus measure angle EWR. Example number 2. Measure angle ADS is equals to 30 and measure angle SDF equals 45. What is the measure of angle ADF? So ADF. So applying angle addition postulate, so we have measure angle ADF is equals to the measure of angle ADS plus measure angle SDF. So we got a 30 plus 45. So just substitute the given. The answer is 45. Now we talk about also supplement postulate. Now a supplement postulate, so if two angles form a linear pair, then they are supplementary. Now what is a linear pair? A linear pair is composed of two adjacent angles whose two sides other than their common side are opposite rays. Okay, so this here we have angle BNC and angle CNM are a linear pair. So therefore, angle BNC and angle CNM are supplementary. In symbols, you can express as measure angle BNC plus measure angle CNM is equals to 180 degrees. Example number 2, if measure angle TUY is equals to 57, what is the measure of angle YUI? So we have, so for angle TUY and angle UYI form a linear pair and they are supplementary. Therefore, measure angle TUY plus measure angle YUI is equals to 180 degrees. So 57 plus the measure of angle YUI equals 180. So just substitute the given. Therefore, 180 minus 57 is equals to 120 degrees. Okay, so it's easy by just subtracting. Now let's have here find the unknown or finding the unknown angle. So for each set of complementary or supplementary angle, find the unknown x or angle of x. Okay, now what is a complementary angle? So just like it says, no, it suggests two angles that measures total of 108 100 or 90 degrees is a complementary angles like this. We have here x here, so the measure of angle x is equals to 65, or so we say 90 minus 65 is 25 degrees. And for number two, the measure of angle x here is 50 because 90 minus 40 is 50. Okay, let's put on the answer here. So this is 50 degrees. And here 71, or 90 minus 71 is equals to 90. So let's try to subtract 71. Okay, so we have 10 is 9, and this will be 8. Okay, 8 minus 7 is 19. So you got 90 degrees. Okay, next. Now solve the given problem. No, so G is an interior point of measure angle DFH. So if measure angle DFG is 19 and the measure of angle GFH is 28, what is the measure of angle DFH? So it says here G is the interior of measure angle. No, so if you are going to draw that, so we have G D, okay, F H, okay, and we could say here we have here uh, point G, okay. So it's better to draw first, no, your angle, so that madali, no, para madali lang mag-solve. So we have 19 plus 28. Oh, 28. What do you think is the answer? 19 plus 28. We have 47 degrees. Okay, so therefore measure angle DFH is 47 degrees. Next, for number two, we have angle BNM and angle MNP form a linear pair. So if measure angle, what is so we have here BNM. Okay, so it's if it's linear pair, so therefore we could say that um, okay, so we got this BNP. Okay. Okay, so we have M here, no? And it says this is 126 degrees. Okay, so 180 minus 126, 4. This will become 7 minus 5 is 2. That's 54, or 54 degrees, okay? So this is 54 degrees. Okay, next. All right, so give another name for the angle in the diagram to whether the angle appears to be acute. Okay, so remember there are obtuse, right, and straight. So we have J, K, N, no? So J, K, N, all right. So this is a right angle, okay? All right, so right angle. Then we have K, M, N. So this is straight, okay? And then PQM, PQM. So this is obtuse. Yeah, obtuse. You are very obtuse. Okay, and then J, M, L. So this is acute. Acute. Okay, next. Let's see. What's the next? Okay. So use the given information to find the indicated angle measure. Okay. So here we have two, no? So we need to find CBD. All right. So in order for you to find the CBD, so you have to solve first for these two. or of course solve for x first. So by using the equation, so we have 3x plus 15 plus x plus 7 equals 94. So we have 3x plus x is equals to 4x. That's equals to 94 minus, okay, 15 plus 21. 15 plus 7 is equal to 22, right? So we need to transfer this 22 here. Okay, so 4x is equals to, okay, so 272, all right, divided by 4, x is equals to 72 divided by 4, 1 4 32 divided by 4 is 8. Okay, so our answer is 18. Yeah, all right, 18. So if your x is 18, therefore the measure of angle CBD is equals to 18 plus 17, or 18 plus 7. 18 plus 7 is 25. Yeah, I'm correct. That's 25 degrees. Okay, so the same principle we're also using here, but you have to find the measure of angle QSR. What I've done here is this, just the same thing you're going to do here. In this given, we have QST, which is 135, and then we add. Okay, I hope you get it. All right, so we have here complement angle 1, angle 2 are complementary angles, and 2 and 3 are supplementary angles. Given the measures of angle 1, find the measure of angle 2 and a measure of angle 3. All right, so you need to get the complementary and supplementary of each angle. Okay, so that's it. It's very easy. All right, so this will be your test. You can easily get it, perhaps. All right, so the same. Now finding the value of x. These are all linear pair, okay? And this one is easy. All right, so for your journal number 4, so this will be your Bayes integration. Let's read it aloud. The measure of an angle is determined by the opening of its rays. The wider its opening, the bigger the measure of the angle is. Have you ever measured how wide open is your heart in sharing your blessings to others? Share instances when you give others with an open heart. So, and this will be your assignment.